In the complaint, it says, Bove stated that DOJ would need to consider telling the courts "F you" and ignoring any such court order. Did you say anything of that kind in the meeting?
Senator, I have no recollection of saying anything of that kind. To the extent I
Wouldn't you recall, Mr. Bove, if you said or suggested during a meeting with Justice Department lawyers that maybe they should consider telling the court "F you"? It seems to me that would be something you'd remember, unless that's the kind of thing you say frequently.
That was Emil Bove in June during a confirmation hearing over his nomination to sit for a lifetime on the Court of Appeals. He was confirmed for that position. Now I want you to hear this. This is Erez Ruveni, who was a top enforcement official at the Justice Department overseeing immigration enforcement cases. Here's what he had to say.
Bove emphasized those planes need to take off no matter what. And then after a pause, he also told all in attendance, and if some court should issue an order preventing that, we may have to consider telling that court, "F you."
Without Erez Ruveni, we wouldn't know the truth, or in this case, the falsity of the testimony of Emil Bove, somebody who has life now in the Court of Appeals. But what we're seeing around the country now is a reflection of that dishonesty we saw with Emil Bove. Because in 20 court cases around the country, courts have expressed concerns that the administration is willfully ignoring their court orders. And in twice that number of cases, in 40 cases around the country, we are seeing judges express concern that the Justice Department is willfully misrepresenting facts to the court. As a federal district judge in Portland, Judge Immercut recently said when she observed that the administration's representations about the so-called lawless protests going on in Portland were untethered to facts. So this is the key value and importance of whistleblowers stepping forward, and that is to shed light on the willful disobedience of the law by the Trump administration. If you have information about the willful disregard of the law by the administration or the misrepresentation of facts by the administration, acquaint yourself with the whistleblower protections, because it's vitally important for the country to hear what you have to say.